Please teach him. All right. Listen up, you people. We're doing area today, so this is going to be the super, super easy area. This is the area that you did back in like 3rd and 4th grade.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, and you've probably killed a couple brain cells since then. So I'm going to go back over it and refresh it and pretend like you have no clue what's going on. I'm pretending that. It's a big stretch for me right now. Okay, so area. So perimeter is the distance around the shape. Suppose we had a room with these measurements. Bam. What is the perimeter of this room?
24.
24. So it'd be 24 units, right? What are my units?
Feet.
24 feet, right?
Square.
Nope.
Area square.
Area is, but it asked for perimeter, didn't it?
Oh.
Ah, got you. All right. That's the outline of the room. We want to cover the floor with 12-inch tiles. Okay, so each of these tiles like this is going to be 12 inches by 12 inches. Okay, so it's actually 1 foot by 1 foot. How many tiles will it take? I want to figure that out. Let's count each one.
8 times 4.
8 times 4. So you're saying that I have 8
rows.
of
Yeah, 4.
8 rows of 4, which is going to give me how much? 32. And what are my units?
Feet.
Feet square, right? How many tiles?
That's 32.
32 tiles. 32 tiles. Es muy fácil? Yes? Is this pretty easy? No?
Yes.
Don't look at me in that tone of voice. Is this easy?
No mames.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Area is the two-dimensional surface. Okay? Two-dimensional surface. It's always a length times the width. Something like that. It is think of it as like if a line is linear, so that would be just in feet right there. But if I fatten up that line, that makes it a fat line, so it's going to be two-dimensional now. So it's actually not just going in one direction, it's going in 2 directions. Kind of like my coordinate plane with the X and Y. Make sense or no?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, and I would know area is always square. Area is always square. Always. Todos los días, area is square. All right.
Don't we use 3 pocket?
Yeah, but that goes with circles and arcs and stuff like that. But we're not dealing with those. We're only dealing with these ones right now. Okay, so right now we start with the rectangle, right? Okay, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is right here. So if I want to find out just this triangle right here. Bam, bam. No! I just got this pen too. Dang it. That's what you get for stealing a pen. Okay? They're not kind enough to actually make sure it's a full pen that I'm gonna steal.
You know who has really nice pens all the time? Greg.
Actually, there, here, I'll try this. So we're just talking about this right in her. There we go. Okay, that thing right there. So the area of a triangle is always going to be base times height divided by 2. Since we're dealing with a triangle right here in this rectangle, right?
Yeah.
So isn't it half this rectangle? Say yes.
Yes.
It's half a rectangle. So if I were to find the area of this, it would be 6 times 4, right?
Yeah.
And it's the whole area, and it's half of it, so I divide by 2. So this would be 12 units, or that's inches squared. 12 inches squared. That's a horrible inches, isn't it? All right. Now, here's another type of triangle that we're going to have. Same formula. Same formula. Do you know what? I'm going to write this out for you guys. So area 1/2 base times height. Base times height. B times H. Now, you're going to see triangles like this.
Wait, times base times?
Base times height. 1/2 base times height. All right. So in this triangle right here, this straight up and down to the tallest peak is going to be my height. And the base would be from here all the way across. Okay, it's all the way across with the base. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay, so now in this triangle right here, this thing out here is the height. And this down here, from here all the way to here, this is my base. Only from there to there. That's going to be the base. Does that make sense? Does it make sense?
Yes.
Man. I need you guys some participation here. Come on.
Alright.
I'm not here for my health.
There you are.
Yeah, right. I'm sick. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember when I coughed on your phone like 5 minutes ago? Okay.
This guy.
No, commissioner, you know,
I gave your phone a virus.
Phone virus.
All right, you guys ready? So this next thing, we're gonna do it on a coordinate. So we need to go through and actually put our points where they go. That means you actually need to know how to do this. 8, 4. So 8, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's gonna be A. -2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. C is at -2, 7. Oh, 7. 6, 7. There's C. And D is at 8, 7. And since I have my special ruler here, there we go. What shape do we have here? I have a rectangle, don't I? Okay, so now, what's the base going to be? I heard it. Count them over. 10 units. Are you counting or just staring at me awkwardly? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm going to B, C, B, C.
Okay, this is going to be how many units? 3. So, how do I find the area of that shape?
multiply.
3 times 10.
3 times 10, base times height, length times width.
30.
So my area is equal to what?
30.
30 what?
Units.
Units.
And area is always?
Square.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
¿Está muy fácil?
Yep.
Sí, sí, muy fácil. Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Okay. Where are we going to go? Okay. All right, so now, area of this thing right here. So vertices, hey, you, and you. Pay attention. All right, vertices means those are the corners of my triangle. Hey, come on, attention up here. All right, let's go ahead and put these on here. So -2, 4. -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to call that one D. E is at 2.7. 1, 2, 6, 7. That one's E. And F is at 8.5. Let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, you guys will like this one because this is like super easy. Okay, you guys ready? So this one is any of it on a straight line?
No.
None of them are on a straight line, are they?
No.
So I can't do any of the 3 areas that we've already done so far. So I'm gonna have to show you guys a new method. So this is called the box method. Okay, we're gonna box this. So the lowest point, go all the way over. And go all the way over to the furthest right there. Now, we have to take this all the way up to the tallest point, which is at E, right? And I take that one all over to left, and then down here. There we go. Okay, so you guys can actually see this now. So this is the box method for this. So if you notice, I'm gonna call the whole thing the box. Okay, the whole thing is the box. So the box would be the rectangle that this is inside of, right? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So the rectangle is going to be, how far is it across here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So I'm going to have 10. So it's going to be 10 times, what's the height? 3. So the box is 30 units square, right? So that's the box. Okay, so now I need to start picking it apart with other pieces here. So I'm going to identify my 3 other pieces. I could have sworn I had another green pen here. Dang it. Okay. So my 3 other pieces, I'm going to call this one right here 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So now we have the box. Now let's go with 1. So for 1, it would be what? The area, it's a triangle, isn't it? The area. Area is going to be 1/2. What's the base of this triangle for 1? How far left and right does it go? Just from here to here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 times, what is the height? 3. So my area for this one's going to be
Like 12.5.
6.
It's going to be 6, right?
Yeah.
What's half of 4?
2.
2 times 3 is?
So you guys have half in that number?
Yes.
Oh, for
Yeah. Okay, so there's going to be 6. Okay, so there's 1. Time for 2. 1/2. For 2, what is the base of 2?
2.
Here's 2, right? What's the base, left and right?
Left.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's the height for 2? 2, right? So what is the area going to be? 6. Now, time for number 3. For number 3, what is the base on 3? How far does 3 go across?
20.
Quit just throwing out numbers. Count.
10.
10.
It is 10. So my area, 1/2
Times 10
times, what's the height?
1.
1. For number 3, the height is going to be 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, so to get where I need to go, what do you think I would do to just find my triangle right here in blue?
Add those numbers
Add those numbers?
or square root those numbers.
Think about what I did. If I only want this, what am I doing with each one of these?
Subtracting it.
I am subtracting it. Thank you. So I am going to subtract it. So to figure out the area of just the blue one, I'm going to take the area of the box and subtract 1, 2, and 3 here. So it's going to be area is equal to 30 minus 6 minus 6 minus 5. Oh yeah, this last one was 5.
30 minus 6 minus 6. Is that equals 3? Or equals 5?
No, that's minus. It's subtracting my 3 parts. Look, minus the 6, minus the 6, minus this 5.
I never remember it being like
And so my total area
13.
is 13 units squared.
I don't remember it being like this.
Huh?
I don't remember it being like this.
Don't remember what being like what? Yeah, because you haven't done it on a coordinate grid like this. That's why this is new. This is new. Regular area is what we've done already, but now you're going to do it like this. Because if it's not on a flat surface, so you can't actually just figure out what it was, right? So let's take a look at some of our practice that we have. Okay, so let me see. Here's going to be number 4. This one's going to be a triangle here. 0, 0, -3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then F is at 3, 3. So F, E, and D. So, on this one right here. On this one right here. How would I do this one? Would I have to use the box method on this?
No.
No, I would not. Why?
Because you already have the base and the height.
The base is actually on a flat surface, right?
Yeah.
The base is a flat right here, so the base would be EF, right?
Yeah.
And what would the height be?
The height would be
From 0 to the line.
From D to this line, right?
Yeah.
So the height would be 1, 2, 3, and the base would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
So you only have to use this method is if it's not on one of the flat lines. It's not like right on your line. Okay? Good. Alrighty then. So let's take a look. Everything else is pretty straightforward. A lot of rectangles, a lot of triangles. Okay, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.